Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate it. Thank you to the whole Seven Lakes organization for inviting us here as a vendor instead of as an operator. So we appreciate that and we're honored by that. The organization's been around for about 7 years. If you think about data management in the technical and operational data space, if you think about services, if you think about oil and gas, those three things are what define us as an organization. We're about 150 people. We've done business with about 50 companies over the past 7 years, and about 30 of those are active today. A lot of our clients, and in the first 4 to 5 years of our current organization's existence, it was all about market share. How do we go fast? How do we gain more and more leases? How do we get more and more holes poked in the ground? So it's all about speed and gaining market share. The past 2 to 3 years have been all around efficiency. How do we transform our company to be more efficient? So the business transformation journey is a very broad journey, and data can help in that journey. When you think about business transformation, you think about efficiency. And how do you measure efficiency? You measure efficiency in our industry based upon profitability, wellhead profitability. Well, how do you get to wellhead profitability? Well, that's typically bucketed into 3 major buckets. The second one is around efficiencies. How do I get more efficient? How do I have well construction processes that can help deliver assets in a manner that are more efficient? How do I have, in the production environment, how do I have maintenance and work orders happen in a more efficient manner? It's another way to improve wellhead profitability. And that's the one I want to drill down into a little bit. All 3 of those elements of wellhead profitability, data plays a key role in. In the current state, in the historical kind of context, those particular properties and those variables get discovered way late in the process, right? Our reservoir engineers, our drilling engineers have figured out the optimal set of parameters when we're almost done with that field. And guess what? The next field is going to be very different than that field. The data didn't tell us the information we needed fast enough to be able to optimize that particular field. So how do we change that dynamic? So using data, bringing that data off of that fiber line, bringing in that historian type of information, combining it with financial data from our financial ERP systems, combining it with master data from across the organization so they can truly understand the dynamics of that particular asset is a method that we're using. We're calling it integrated reservoir characterization that we're using with our clients to optimize production and improve that element of wellhead profitability. So data is improving the state of efficiency for our clients. So again, the transformation journey is very wide and very vast. There's lots of different elements to it. So I just wanted to take you guys on that trip into that specific wellhead profitability and the improved production component of that, just to give you a sample of how data can improve that journey.
We're going to have some stations for some demonstrations of some of the applications that Brett was talking about today, and feel free to mingle. Y'all can stop being quiet now too.